you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Father. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Father. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Father. Happy birthday to you.
So today I'm very happy to have received the media people who have come here to celebrate with me my birthday. And when I remember the many years that I've lived in this world, there are so many things that I've seen because I was born in a family, and this family are the parents. Even when they are not there, I still cherish them because they brought me up in a Christian way of life until I embraced the ministry or priesthood where I'm working. And I've worked for many years in this ministry. Actually, this year, come October 27th, I'll be turning 35 years. But today, I'm celebrating 62 years since I was born. And I'm grateful to God for these many years that I've worked. And I want to thank the media houses that have come here today, and especially to celebrate with me because I've closely worked with them, especially in educating our people in various areas, and especially, we have what we call this alcohol and also drugs, where I've tried to really embrace and continue to fight. And what has really happened is that the government has also now come in, where we have the deputy president and also the minister for internal, security, who has said that all licenses have to be withdrawn so that people can get this anew. But when we look around, what we see, actually, we say that is the government really serious, because what they are saying and what we see is not the same. Because they have said it, but we see bars are open, all those kiosks selling wines and spirits are there, and you see people in the villages, they are brewing Nyaanga, they are selling, and the policemen are going there, even the chiefs and sub-chiefs are going there, so they get there, whatever, those are bribes, we call them, and they leave them to continue. So what we want to say is that the government has to be serious. The government has to really show that they have teeth, they can bite. Because now when they talk, like now our deputy president, is talking, and he thinks that this problem is only in Mount Kenya and Nairobi. It is also in Kisii, it's in Nyamira, in the whole of Kisii land. There are many places where we have had people who have died because of this. So that's why I would really like to appeal, and especially the media houses, that we can put out this, that we tell people that it is not true what they are saying, that this has really been eradicated, or people that have closed these places in the villages and in schools, even universities where we have here. As you walk to the nearest university we have is Kisii University. You see clubs are there, there are shops selling wines and spirits, they are not being closed. So that's why we say the government has to be serious. Once they say something, they have to move. And I want to appeal to our county, like now the commissioner. What he has to do, he has to call barazas, so that people can come together and they can give their views, what they are seeing in the villages. He has to move to sub-counties. He has to move to divisions, so that he can even tell the chiefs and sub-chiefs to hold barazas, and they have to give reports that they have given these barazas. So that's why I would like really to appeal that these people, they have really to be seen working, not in offices. Actually, what we have, the problem we have in Kenya is that people are speaking from offices. They should get out of the offices and they go to places. They just move out and go to places to see what's happening. So when they're just issuing statements and they don't know what's happening, of course, even when the deputy president speaks, he has not really moved places and also participated in trying to eradicate all, trying to tell people that this should not happen. And also all those places, especially those people issuing licenses, they should ensure that places where schools are, places where people stay, if those things are being sold there, they should never allow and never give licenses to do that. So that's what I would say, and may we work together, media houses, so that we can educate our people, because we know the effects of drugs and also alcoholism, because we have so many people, children who have left schools because of that, families broken because of that. And for that reason, I would like to appeal to all people of goodwill, even those in communities where they see these things are happening. I think they should take up, because we know in chapter 1 of our constitution, it said sovereignty of the people. So it's the people who are governing, and because of that, they should even move and tell those people, enough is enough, stop this. So they should not even wait for the government to come and eliminate these things. They should just move there and tell these people, not fighting them, but really even pouring those stuff, and nobody will arrest them, because it's illegal. They are not supposed to have them. Even when you go to bars, because I've even seen in Kisii here, where people, pastors have gone there to preach, facing those bars. People are locked inside, they are drinking, they are preaching, and I think we need to move inside and tell them, get out. You cannot continue this unless you have been licensed. And now, there's corruption here now. The licenses, some people will be passing through back doors to get the licenses renewed, and they continue with illegal business. And I would like to say that in those days, there was, people would take alcohol. But now, in our time, it is now poison. It's not alcohol anymore, because they put all types of chemicals, and these have really affected many of our people. So we say that enough is enough. May the government take up, the machinery and eliminate this.
Happy birthday, dear Father. Happy birthday, dear Father. Happy birthday, dear Father. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Father. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Father.